how to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn off or disable Windows Defender on your Windows 11. So to get started, go ahead and open the Windows Start menu into your device and then type Windows Security. So look for Windows Security and then go ahead and select it from here. So from the results, go ahead and select it. And then on the Windows Security, go ahead and look for Virus and Threat Protection. And then click on the Manage Settings from here and then toggle Real-Time Protection to off. So if you only have the Microsoft Defender, you can actually toggle off the real-time protection, but since I am using other tools for my antivirus software, I won't be able to find that option, but you'll basically find that on my Microsoft Defender antivirus. So that is how you can basically disable Windows Defender in Windows 11.